Akiaria hindi ya githomo kia urithia wa ng'ombe cia nyama kiria kiratabanirio arimi a kaunti cia Tana River na Taita Taveta iria ikoragwo na unyihu wa mai na irio ceceni-ini ya uthuthuria wa mahiũ Kalro mwena wa Naivasha, munene wa ruhonge ruru Ndagĩtarĩ Eliud Kireger augite unyihu uyu umanite na arimi kwaga umenyo wa kuigana uria urabatarania kuiga ng'ombe cia nyama.
What we are doing as Kalro to bridge that gap is, one, ensuring that the livestock that the farmers have are managed properly so that they can maximize production. Secondly, this center has been providing breeding bulls to farmers in the arid and semi-arid areas for them to be able to improve their productivity. And this is the sample of what you are seeing here. Just a few days ago, we sold about 100 bulls to different farmers, and that's what we do every year to ensure that farmers are getting quality material to improve their productivity.
Nyama cia bururi uyu itikoretwo ikiguciriria thoko cia nja wa bururi na ni kumana na gukorwo mahiũ ma nyama cia guku bururi-ini matikoretwo magikinyia ikiro iria irabatarania, undu uria utumite thirikari ihingure kiganda gia kwambatiria gikiro giki mwena wa Taita Taveta kuria nyama iria baga guthurimwo mbere ya ciendetio nja wa bururi.
A place called Bachuma, the Ministry of Agriculture has built an export processing zone whereby livestock from all parts of the country which are going to be exported, they are taken there and kept there and processed so that they are sure that whatever is being exported is clean. And part of the training that we are giving farmers today here is to ensure that the livestock that they have are disease-free so that they can be able to fetch a better market outside the country.
Ona gutuika arimi a mahiũ a icigo iria mahiũ ma nyama marĩithagio guku bururi-ini ni makoretwo magitungwo ni mathina ma wagi wa mirio na mai ma kuhe mahiũ mao. Simon Wambugu uria ni mutaaramu wa maundu megie urĩithia wa mahiũ augite bururi uyu wina mweke wa kuongerera muigana wa nyama wona arimi mathie na mbere kuheo mathomo ta maya.
In our county, the CBPP for cattle is the main disease that has been, it's like endemic in our county. It has always been there, and it is usually the main disease that affects our animals. And we also sometimes experience the FMD and lumpy skin disease. For goats, we have the CCPP. That one is also another endemic disease there. So most of the times livestock or the pastoralists avoid the delta, which is usually the fallback during drought because of tsetse flies.
Kwa tunajua ni kufuga ng'ombe tu kawaida na kupeleka sokoni, lakini wakati huu tunajua kwamba tumepatiwa ule ujuzi ambao tunaweza kufanyisha kwamba mifugo yetu iwe na bei nzuri na iwe tunaikuza vizuri.
Mara nyingi sisi huko kwetu hakuna mvua, wanyama wanakosa maji, wanakosa chakula ya kutosha, na hatuna mbinu mingi ya kutengeneza chakula. Ilikuwa mpaka mifugo wengine nyingi zinakufa, lakini sasa tunashukuru tumefundishwa jinsi ya kuweka hiyo chakula vizuri na jinsi ya kuitengeneza ili mfugo aipate iko sawa.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa Kalro, ikundi itanyihiire 35 guothe bururi-ini ni irathie na mbere kwamukira mathomo maya aria mari mwena uyu wa Naivasha, makiuga githomo giki ni gikumateithia kuhura njeki urimi wao wa mahiũ ma nyama. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Naivasha, kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.
It's kind of refreshing.